To exclusive
18. 18?
Yes, sir.
There he is. 18 calling 18 विराट कोहली. भाई जान है बंदा आईपीएल की एंड 18 साल हो गए हैं, एक ही रंग में दिखा है बंदा. This is about making you realize how old you've become.
Thank you very much for reminding me I'm 36 years old.
No, but let me just tell you, अगर आईपीएल जिस साल शुरू हुई थी, उस साल कोई बच्चा पैदा हुआ था, तो अब वो कॉलेज में जा रहा है. It's a long time.
It's a long journey, one that we have seen grow, evolve, and become this absolutely amazing spectacle. Honestly, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था जब शुरू हुई थी IPL that it could get to a stage like this. But 18 years and rolling, and every year you feel the same excitement, if not more, which is a massive credit to the league, the way it's organized, the teams, the competitiveness, the professionalism, top notch.
From the first one to this one, opening day, does that bring out the same excitement that a young, 19-year-old Virat Kohli felt in 2008 and now a 36-year-old feels in 2025?
See, honestly, पहला जो साल था ना, that for us was exciting in terms of unexpected things happening. एक तो 2020 is we hadn't played a lot. दूसरी चीज franchise cricket, the opportunity to play with different players from all over the world that we looked up to. We were buzzing and how.
You came straight from the Under-19 World Cup, in fact.
Yes. And when the auction happened, we were in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, and we were sold for first class cricketers जो थे 20 लाख का उनका लिमिट थी. मतलब हम पागल हो गए कॉरिडोर में कि 20 लाख रुपए मिल गए. You know, that was the emotion behind it. और फिर opening ceremony हुई. Then you meet these great cricketers.
Who were you in awe of? Tell me that.
I was.
Because I think there are very few that you've been in awe of.
I think in that, I mean, to be honest, जो मैं पहली बार जब मैं खेला हूँ, I was in awe of everyone. मैं तो कभी किसी से मिला नहीं था. So Zakpa I had met a couple of times with UVPA and everyone because we played for North Zone. So UVPA and me kind of knew each other from before. Even playing with Anil Bhai for the first time, Rahul Bhai, all these legends of the game. For me, it was like, man, this is. Like I'm in fantasy land, you know.
Yeah.
It was, the feeling was that, and then obviously the pressures came along with that because I felt like I knew my game is not up to the mark, you know, to perform at this level, and I had to prove myself. So that pressure was there. That eventually caught up with me in the first season. But yeah, the excitement was tremendous.
18 calling 18 is now a little settled. This is not how bowlers feel when this man is on song. They don't feel settled at all. But I'm going to take you to the very young, your first walkout, Virat. और उसके लिए हमने सोचा कि थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक होने के लिए लैपटॉप के साथ माउस भी लेके आते हैं.
तेरी
एआई के ज़माने में माउस के साथ हम प्ले करेंगे. जुल्फों में ईशांत शर्मा लहराते हुए.
Ishant Sharma has picked up a wicket.
This is obviously the first wicket he got. And then you were going to walk out.
Yeah.
This is your captain. They had runs on board.
Yeah.
You and Ishant are obviously so close. Was there any conversation around the time? इस मैच के आसपास कोई बातचीत दोनों में?
नहीं, हम लोग we were staying in different hotels, the two teams, so there was not much conversation in this game. But हाँ, वो sledging वैजिंग कर रहा था मेरे को, like seriously. थोड़ा सा वो अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आया था, नया हेयर कलर कराया था, तो थोड़ा सा स्टार बना हुआ था. मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ. But all fun and games. A lot of pressure in this game I felt because I'd never played as you asked me before in front of a packed stadium like this before.
How did you feel when you walked out? I mean, obviously this was focusing on Rahul Dravid going all the way back, and then आपको हम strike पे देखते हैं. When you walked out to bat, इतने लोग, शोर गुल, माहौल अलग.
कोई शोर नहीं मचाता था.
Nervous? तितलियां पेट में?
हाँ, मुझे था कि यार इतनी बड़ी क्राउड है, मैच वैच हो रहा है, और मेरे लिए कोई तब शोर वोर थोड़ा मचाएगा.
नहीं, पर माहौल जो बना हुआ था, इतने हजार लोग, did that make you nervous at any point?
I mean, of course. Again, first game now, I was telling you about the build-up. You're playing with these players you've always seen on TV, or now you're in the game. Now you're actually playing a game with them, which is at this level in front of so many people. तो मैं अपनी टीम में तो था ही. Then opposition also, I'm looking at all these cricketers and I'm like, कहाँ गया हो यार? Like, you know, that kind of intimidating feeling was there. So yeah, definitely I felt a lot of pressure.
We'll take you through it. Let's see a young Virat Kohli on strike. दादा बात कर रहे हैं शाद से. Ricky Ponting is on the field. All the biggies, giants of the game.
McCullum was keeping. I mean, it was honestly, it was. I was really nervous. मुझे अभी भी याद है मैं guard mark कर रहा था and I was like,
there.
मतलब मैं सिर्फ, you see, I was looking at the crowd only, मतलब कि इतने सारे लोग हैं. different experience, very very different. And I was using 5 because Cameron White was in the team then. He used to use 18. So
PDM का बैट
yeah, good old days.
जिंक क्रीम के साथ हेडशॉट
यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेंज करने को. ये डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट का मेरा हेडशॉट डाला होता आईपीएल में.
Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take you to your first half century.
This was in South Africa.
हाँ.
Yeah, that I remember.
कितना फर्क था, पहला आईपीएल हो गया था, getting into the other IPL. By then you had also made your ODI debut. आपने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट भी खेल लिया था 2008 August, if I'm not wrong.
तो हुआ क्या for RCB for the first 3 years, I did not play in the top order a lot. मेरे को नीचे बैटिंग मिलती थी. Even here, I think I might have walked in at 6 or walked in at 5. I'm not sure. But yeah, playing in the IPL was something that I was not able to crack to a large extent for the first 3 seasons. I would say, the impactful knock here and there I used to play. So, see again, 4 down. I walked in at 6. So I was playing different roles for the first 3 years. Ye wali IPL was still better for me because those pitches suited my kind of game. The ball was coming onto the bat and I could play my shots. So it was a interesting period in my career, I would say. From 2010 onwards, then I started performing a little better. My career in the IPL kind of grew in the first 3 years. Uske baad 2011 onwards, then I started playing at 3 regularly.
At 3 regularly.
Yeah.
So yahan tak how many you played? 16 matches, 179.
So not a great record at all. Yeah, I do. I think I played decently. But उस टाइम पे भी यार मतलब आईपीएल में there used to be this जो अभी भी फील होता है ना, this electric feeling and this pressure, वो पहले भी फील होता था हमको, but not to the extent of every game, 1 odd game, 2 odd games, but अभी तो it's become way too competitive.
पर ये 50 लगा के कुछ फर्क आया?
Of course, confidence, of course, your confidence levels go up because एक level of cricket तो है ही, of course you know that, you can feel it, you can sense it. So when you perform there, it feels great. It feels like yes, you've done something significant.
उसके बाद पहला प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच
ये कब था? 2011 में
दिल्ली के अगेंस्ट.
हाँ,
दिल्ली में आई थिंक दिस वाज इन दिल्ली एज वेल, राइट? ये तो अपना ही ग्राउंड है. शी लाइक योर फर्स्ट आंसर, इफ आई रिमेंबर.
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं क्या बोला था मैंने. तुम लोग ही लेके आते हुए पता नहीं कहाँ से.
भाई रखे हुए आर्काइव में.
Come along, Virat. Very well played today. We're actually, as we speak, on television showing some of your shots. It was as well as I've seen you bat.
Well, to be honest, I didn't plan to bat like that when I went in, but I started hitting the ball well, and I took charge from Chris. So that was the plan in the middle, that he could play himself in, and I could go for my shots because I was hitting it well.
Chris could play himself in. Wow.
Exactly the point. मैं सोच रहा था मेरी आंसर की क्या है इस आंसर में ऐसा.
गलत फहमी देख लो.
बट ये गलत फहमी है, कॉन्फिडेंस है. I would play, so Chris could bat himself in.
यार पहले ना इतना, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, जब से ये सोशल मीडिया का बूम हुआ है ना, तो ये जो एनालिसिस होने लगा है ना बंदे का खुद की बातों का ही, that has become like way too twisted.
Yeah.
This was, मैं कुछ झूठ नहीं बोला मैंने.
Yeah.
Like this used to be the, ठीक है यार, if I am taking charge, I can take charge.
But that's exactly what's fascinating for me, because by now you've grown into someone who feels ki I am the one who'll go on to do it.
Yeah, but if you look at how things pan out, like if I play now, we just recently played that Champions Trophy game. So if Shreyas is taking charge, Shreyas is taking charge. मेरे को, this was not out of ego then. This is not out of ego now. उस टाइम पे if I am in
Game
flow,
sense है.
हाँ, game sense. अगर मैं flow में हूँ, I will take initiative. अगर कोई और एक different role play कर रहा है, he will take initiative. तो इसमें ये नहीं है कि मैं किसी को नीचा दिखा रहा हूँ, या आज मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार मेरे अंदर ability नहीं है. It's just understanding of the game, which is something that I always had a lot of pride in. कि I want to play according to the situation of the game.
IPL ने आपको कितना challenge किया है? Just IPL, इसका competitive level, how much is that? And in a good way. I'm not saying challenge you in a bad way, but to just be a step ahead. इतनी सारी teams, इतने top quality cricketers. Have there been moments that you think that it's also helped you just take that level up?
Yes, it challenges you very differently because of the way the tournament functions. It's not like a bilateral series or a small tournament. It's a large tournament, बहुत दिन चलता है. So every week your plays differently. in the table. So that brings different challenges, which as a cricketer fuels you because it stimulates your competitiveness in very different ways. So अगर आप टॉप पे हो तो आपको टॉप पे मेंटेन करना है, अगर आप नीचे हो तो you have to have extra drive to turn it around. अगर आप in between हो, जैसे 5 में से 3 मैच जीतने हैं और 1 हार गए तो that pressure starts building, you know. तो this जो डायनेमिक नेचर है ना इस टूर्नामेंट की, वो कहीं भी आपको नहीं मिलती. और जब हर हफ्ते आपकी सिचुएशन अलग है, एज अ प्लेयर, एज अ टीम, तो यस, IPL's challenged me from that perspective, and obviously it has urged me to improve or keep improving on my skill sets in T20 cricket.
उम्मीद करते हैं बातचीत आपको पसंद आई. मतलब वो दौर जब कंसिस्टेंट नहीं थे, वो दौर जब जर्सी का